may have seen a video like this one, or this one, or maybe this one. But what actually is FRUF prime? Hey guys, I'm Martian Cubing, and today I'll be giving a full tutorial and some examples of FRUF prime. So FRUF prime was pioneered by Jaden McNeil, and in its simplest terms, it's doing an F move to set up a better F2L case and inserting that F2L case with an F prime. So this is very helpful for reducing moves in F2L. So example number 1. So you have this F2L case, and instead of rotating and then pairing it up just like that, you can instead do an F move and then solve this F2L case by doing U, R, U2, R prime, then EU, and then you can insert the solved F2L case into the front left slot by doing an F prime. But this can also work for the front right slot as well. So for a case like this, where you have your corner here and your edge in the back, instead of taking out the edge and then solving this case, you can instead just do an F prime and then R prime U R pairs up and then F to insert. But this can also work for the front right slot by doing F prime and then L moves. So take that first example that I showed you. For this case, you can do an F prime and then solve this case here by doing U prime, L prime, U2, L, U prime, and then F to insert. So that's pretty much all there is to FRUF prime. It's a pretty simple concept. But since this is an F2L technique, there are dozens more cases I did not show you today, and the best way to find out what cases FRUF prime is good for is just by experimenting. Just when you're doing maybe slow solves or just chilling, just experiment doing F and F prime moves to try and set up a better case. Hey guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked the video, you can leave a like or subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, stay different.
All these thoughts piling up on my mind, devil on my shoulder to my right, wondering if it's time to return to sleep tonight. My head is killing my heart, it feels like I could just fall apart, wondering if I could